Hello, you're welcome so that you can solve this maths problem together. So I want us to take the shortest time possible so that you can work it out. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you're having. So we are having 6 to the power of m minus 3 is equals to 108. So how do we solve this type of problem? Now, so remember that you want to find the value of m. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to change or try to work out if we can have the base of 6. So this one is the base of 6, m minus 3 is the index. So it is impossible. So we need to introduce the log from both sides. So let's do it then now. So now we shall have the log of 6 to m minus 3 should also give us the log of 108. 108. So assume we have the log of a to the power of b. So this one also can also be written as the b. So now we shall start with b. So we shall now have the b log a. So we can also change the log of 6 to the power of m minus 3 in the form of b log a. So in that case now we shall now have m minus 3. So m minus 3 log 6 is equals to the log of 108. So now if we want to remain with m minus 3, so we need to divide both sides by the log of 6. So this side also by the log of 6. Now, so the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel. So in this case now we shall remain with m minus 3, which is equals to now the log of 108 all over the log of 6. So we cannot still simplify the log of 108 all over the log of 6 by now saying that m minus 3 is equals to the log of 108 can also be written as the log of, so when you work out this one, we shall have the log of 6, then multiply by 18. Then we shall put everything into bracket. So all over this, the log of 6. So we all know that assume we have the log of AB. So this one can also be written as the log of A plus the log of B. So in this case, we shall now say that now we shall have m minus 3, which now shall be equals to the log of 6 plus the log of 18. So all over the log of 6. So meaning that now we shall divide both sides by this log of 6. So let's now work it this way. So now we shall now have m minus 3 is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 6. So we shall divide both sides by now the log of 6. Then again plus the log of 18 all over also divided by the log of 6. So now m minus 3 shall be equals to log 6 and log 6 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 plus the log of 18 all over the log of 6. So here now m minus 3 is equals to 1 plus the log 18 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 3. Then all over the log of 6. So m minus 3 is equals to now 1 plus the log of 6 plus the log of 3 all over the log of 6 by following the law of the logarithm. So now m minus 3 here now shall be equals to here 1 plus now we shall have the log of 6 all over the log of 6. Then again now plus the log of 3 all over the log of 6. So when we now cancel it out, now we shall now conclude by having m minus 3. So m minus 3 is equals to 1 plus log 6 and log 6 shall cancel. So 1 plus 1 plus now the log of 3 all over the log of 6. So m minus 3 is equals to, so 1 plus 1 is 2 plus, so here the log of 3 all over the log of 6. So we all know that assume we have the log of A all over the log of B. So this one can also be equals to the log of, so we can be having the log of A to the base of B. So meaning that m minus 3 is equals to 2 now plus the log of 3 to the base of 6. So now finally we want to remove this minus 3 so that it crosses and comes to this other side. So now finally m minus 3 is equals to, so we don't have to write m minus 3 again. So now we shall just conclude by writing m is equals to, here now we shall have 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6. Then here minus 3, when it cosine shall become now plus 3. Then some, now this one now comes our final answer. So if you really loved how we've worked it out, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I want us to do it very fast by now confirming if truly now we are correct. So let's confirm our answer. So let's now bring our maths problem. So we had 6 to the power of m minus 3 is equals to 108. So what we do, we shall now have 6. Now instead of writing m, we shall have to the power of 2, this one plus the log of 3 to the base of 6 plus 3 here. Then don't forget minus 3. Minus 3 shall be equals to 108. This other one. So let's work it out now. So here now we shall have 6 to the power of 2, then plus, so now we shall have the log of 3 to the base of 6. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we don't need to write anything here, is equals to 108. So in this case now we shall now begin to work it out. So here now we all know that assume we have something like here 6 to the power of 2. So now we shall have to write it 6 now to the power of 2. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. Then again we shall have 6 to the power of 6 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 6 shall give us 108. So 6 to the power of 2 is like having 6 multiplied by 6, which is 36. So we shall now have our 36 there, then multiply by, so the log to the base of 6 shall now cancel with this 6. So now we shall now have 3 alone is equals to 108. So that 6 multiplied by 3 is 108. So now we shall now have 108 is equals to 108. So it means that now we are very correct when we conclude by saying that our value for m now, so now we shall now conclude by saying the value for m is equals to 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 6 plus 3. So now this one is finally the correct answer after proving it. So if you really check if you really have appreciated how we've worked it out correctly, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, let's stop there and see you in our next video.